Hey everyone, I'm Danny, and welcome to another exciting episode of Product Insider. Today we're pleased to introduce the all-new MBox 603, a medical-grade edge computing system. This medical-grade system meets IEC 60601-1 medical product safety standards, and is designed with computing power for medical imaging applications, such as AI-assisted diagnosis, outpatient information systems, surgical video streaming, and biometric analysis. The MBox 603 features two PCIe by 16 slots where users can install GPUs or capture cards to increase processing power for running AI imaging tasks. To meet the need for bigger storage space, this medical system supports two swappable 2.5-inch SATA SSD trays with RAID 0 and RAID 1 support. The MBox 603 has great expandability for wireless connectivity, including 5G, 4G, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. It also has two SMA-type antenna connectors. For connectivity, the MBox 603 features two COM and two LAN ports with 2.5 gigabit high-speed networking. It offers two HDMI and one DisplayPort++ with 4K UHD for an exceptional viewing experience. Additionally, it includes four USB 3.2 and two audio jacks. Onboard Trusted Platform Module 2.0 ensures hardware security. The MBox 603 features a sleek and clean chassis that fits in with other hospital equipment and is easy to clean for hygiene. In addition, it is designed for longevity, ensuring a long life cycle for hospital use. Axiomtek's medical computing systems are fully customizable to suit the needs of a wide range of medical industry applications. With high-performance CPUs, extensive storage capabilities, rich I/O, and various form factors from board level to system integration, plus multiple safety and medical certifications. If you're interested in this product or customization services, don't hesitate to reach out to us for more details. Thank you for joining us for this episode of Product Insider. See you next time.